Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about the S8 stock men's hair system. The product code for this system is Legend. This system has a French base and a PU back and sides. It has a double layer of French lace at the front, enhancing the realism and undetectability of the system. Now let's take a look at the base of the S8. As we can see, the majority of the base is French lace. This makes the system light, airy, comfortable and breathable. It's particularly good if you live in hot and humid climates and conditions or you exercise often. The back and sides of the S8 is PU. This makes the system easy to handle, attach, clean and maintain. Now let's take a look at the top of the S8. The hair length is 5 to 6 inches and comes in a medium hair density. The hair is in a freestyle direction, so it can be parted and styled however you like. It comes in one colour, which is colour 1B, the colour in my hands. This is a natural black and a very popular choice amongst hair system wearers. The S8 comes in 5 different base sizes, but we offer a professional base and hair cutting service so your system is ready to be worn as soon as it arrives. As with all of our stock hair systems, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate shipment, so your new hair system could be with you in just 5 working days. If you like what you see and you want to find out more, then please visit our website at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us at +86 532 8082 8255.